Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will see some of best kitchen cutters and slicers in Amazon which are under 200 rupees. We also have a giveaway contest in this video. So please watch the video till the end to know more about participating in this contest. Please like and subscribe our channel. Let's get into this video. Garlic Ginger Grater. This is a garlic ginger grater with a removable hands protecting cover. The cover can be installed to protect your hands when grating small things like garlic, ginger, herbs etc. and can be removed to grate bigger things. Its small size and lightweight makes it easy for a greater control and storage. It is a perfect companion for your cooking. With this tool, there will be no more hand injuries. It is easy to hold, use and clean. This grater is super easy to clean. Just rinse under faucet and allow tool to air dry. Multifunctional 360-degree rotary peeler. This unique peeler with rotatable high-class stainless steel blades is for various vegetable and fruit peeling, just by turning the knob to select the blade you need. The strong handle provides a good grip while peeling, making it comfortable and easy to use. The vegetable peeler is very easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The multi-purpose blades makes it convenient to deal with vegetables like potato, carrot, cucumber and fruits like apple, orange, lemon, pear, etc. Carrot Banana Cutter. This slicer is made of blunt stainless steel blades to keep your hands safe. You can perfectly slice whole bananas in seconds with this valuable kitchen tool. It is very easy to use. Just hold the bowl or plate, squeeze the handle and you'll get dozens of uniform banana slices. This cutter can also be used to cut other vegetables like carrots, zucchini and fruits like cucumber as well. Mango Slicer. Mangoes are delicious, but can be a challenge and messy to peel and slice. The mango tool makes enjoying this delicious fruit a breeze. Peel, slice and remove the pit all with one tool. The micro-serrated stainless steel blade slices through tough mango skins cleanly and with minimal waste, and the blade shape is perfect for removing pits of various sizes. The mango holder features soft grip handles and secures fruit in one place for easy slicing and to prevent the mango from rolling. Pineapple Slicer. If the thought of coring a pineapple makes you feel exhausted, then try out the easy-to-use stainless steel pineapple corer. This pineapple slicer, a clever little kitchen tool that peels, cores and slices a whole pineapple in only 30 seconds. Who needs their fruits pre-sliced and packed anymore? Just cut the pineapple around the top, stick this device in and twist it down the pit. The integrated blades perform all the work. Turn once for a single slice and twist continuously to core the whole fruit in one swoop. That's like magic right there, isn't it? Handheld Vegetable Chopper. New Handy Chopper is an excellent affordable solution to all of your fruit and vegetable chopping needs. Featuring sharp and durable stainless steel blades and a unique string design, this manual chopper chops and cuts vegetables in a hassle-free manner with minimal effort. Simply cut the fruits or vegetables to a medium size before placing them in the chopper and get an evenly chopped version for your salads, fruits, sabzi preparations and other cooking purposes. Double Scoop Melon Bala. These scoops are ideal for making fine round balls such as biscuit dough, ice cream, sorbet, mashed potatoes, meatballs, cakes, melon balls and the like. This scoop is easy to turn as you use both size heads. Also, it is handy for creating small, colorful scoops of sorbet for a festival dessert or for your next casual party. There are two different sized heads for making melon balls in different sizes. It is made by stainless steel blade with plastic handle and comfortable to grip, which is perfect for fruit salads and garnishes. This sharp tool is double-ended for cutting and making perfect balls of melon, papaya, mango, dragon fruit or others. Amazon brand Ginger Garlic Crusher. This vegetable crusher offers an easy manual alternative to an electric chopper. Made from high-quality food-grade, BPA-free, ABS plastic, this vegetable crusher is safe for everyday use in the kitchen. It facilitates ease of use with its functional design and comfortable grip. By simply putting your ingredients inside the crusher and firmly rotating the head, you can crush them into fine pieces as per your liking. This vegetable crusher comes equipped with 20 blades to ensure the ingredients are finely sliced for your different culinary requirements. Its compact and innovative form ensures that it can be stored easily. Spiral Screw Slicer. Spiral screw slicer is excellent for cutting decorative spirals from fresh cucumber. It also works for carrot, cucumber, pumpkin, zucchini, etc. Cut the end of the cucumber, punch the peeler pin into its center and turn smoothly. It is made of resistant plastic and is dishwasher safe. The structure is simple and sturdy. It has 360-degree rotation and is also comfortable to use. Clever Cutter. Clever Cutter is going to revolutionize your kitchen with the way it chops through anything in seconds. Instead of your knife and cutting board separately, this combination food chopper and cutting board makes cutting, slicing and dicing easy and fast, saving you time and money. Its premium design that includes pressure handle with spring enables faster cutting. Fruits, meats, veggies or bread, its premium blade and wide mouth makes it easier for a cook to have ultimate experience of kitchen mastery that's fast and mess-free. The blade is made of premium stainless steel and handle is made of A-grade plastic, giving you perfect combo of brilliant design, efficiency and effectiveness. This is perfect kitchen tool to make perfect salads, kebabs and much more. The smart ergonomic scissors design allows you to slice and chop even larger foods like corn or chunks of meat with only a push of the handle. Thanks for watching. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, in order to be selected as winner for giveaway contest you have to do just 4 things. Subscribe, share, like the video and comment. The lucky 5 winners will be gifted with any one of the product in the video. All the best.